Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you two new promo codes for IKEA.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is you will get up to 10% off, save up to 10% off on your order. So the code number one is FUNDASNORDICAS. Yeah, this is the code number one. Now I'm moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is you will get take $5 off in any purchase. So the code number two is IKEA04HW6J. This is the code number two. Simply use this promo codes and get your reward. So thanks for watching.